for today. So not sure what's going on with my broker at the moment, but this last bar is clearly not the way we finished. We finished with a green bar, opened on a low and closed on a high. So this last red bar is it looked like it's a copy of the previous day's bar. But anyway, try and ignore that at the moment. So I think we need to do it that way, and we need to do it that way. That is our current flag at the moment, and I could actually make it even worse. And I think, well, not worse, but I think a little bit different. I think I'm going to do that. That is our consolidation triangle at the moment on the daily. So we're looking for a breakout of that triangle one way or another. Now, if you look at the strength of the move to the upside, and then we've gone into this consolidation triangle, we've got a lot of noise in the market at the moment, and we haven't really fallen. We've basically just drifted slightly lower, and now all of a sudden we have buyers stepping in. So if you look at the bars, it's been a buying day, a selling day, buying day, selling day, buying day, and it looks like my broker's trying to anticipate the selling day today. I'm cautiously bullish at the moment. This gap down, pretty solid recovery, and then move to the upside, forming a fairly strong level here. Okay, so there are obviously buyers coming in here off 11,945. No real reason that I can see why. There might be something on the hour. We'll have a look at that now. But this drifting sideways in this triangle is still very much in play. And now you can see by me doing that, we had a fake out to the bottom and then a move to the upside. So I'm just going to get rid of these diagonals because they are going to cause confusion in my world anyway. Okay, there's my first inside bar there, and you can see we've pretty much been playing around at this level quite extensively. So I'm looking for the breakout here of 12,328. Okay, we're looking to get above this and then a continuation to the upside. So we are above the moving average at the moment. Moving average is pointing to the upside, which does indicate we've got buyers coming in, or we've had buyers come in over the last 33 periods at the moment. So there was a trend line breakout and retest. There it is there. So that was a the downside trend line, broke out, retested. I'm just going to adjust this, not that level, this level here. And we have that breakout and retest as well of that trend line. So right now, as far as I'm concerned, this little level here should be treated as a flag. Here's your flagpole, there's your flag. So there is potential for a measured move here on the breakout and retest, pretty much taking us right there to a Brooks gap and just above this previous congestion here. So I would just fine tune that onto that congestion. There is a target, first target, which is 12,417. And we need a break of 12,292 and retest for that trade to take place. So that is going to be 83 points risk to 110 point gain. Better than a 1-to-1, well worth the trade at the moment. Okay, so that's pretty much my view on the DAX at the moment. I do believe we've got some upside today, provided we break above this flag. If we break the downside and we come back into this congestion area here, then which is also possible because this could form top of range and this be bottom of range, then it's back to sit on hands for me. Okay, so I'm prepared to take this trade on the break and retest of this area here, and I think let's just get it off the 15. So you've got it. So it's pretty much this fractal which we have broken already. So it's 12,277. Breakout retest of that will get me long. Stop to entry as quick as possible, just in case we get ambushed here at 12,328. If we get through 12,328, then obviously 12,417 is my target. and then it's out of that trade and wait for the next setup. Okay, so that's kind of my view for the DAX today. It does look fairly interesting. I do like the trend line breakout. I do like the flag. I do like it, pretty much everything about it. So that's what I'll be looking for. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.